Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with our another new launch project developed by the India's most prestigious developer. The Prestige Group is coming up with a new launch project. The name has the Prestige Forest Hills, which is located near Yogi Hill in Mulund West, Mumbai, offering lavish 3 and 4 BHK premium residences. So before moving towards our project overview and more details, first we will talk about what is Keystone Real Estate Advisory. So it is India's most trusted customer-centric real estate advisory company offering end-to-end home buying services जहां आपको expert guidance, multiple options and उसके साथ-साथ आपको मिलेगा best price आपके सपनों के घर के लिए. So always remember, if you think property, think Keystone. So now I will guide you with all the proper details of this project with the help of master plan. So now talking about the project overview, proper details project overview. So as in this master plan, this whole proper township is spread across 34 acres of land parcel where you will get 3 major residential projects. First will be Siesta, second is Belenza, and the third, which is upcoming new launch project, that is Forest Hill, the Prestige Forest Hill, where you will get 2 major school, hospitals, and 1 retail and commercial center. Talking about the Siesta, this is a separate residential project, and this is Belenza is the second residential project in the township. Now talking about the Focus Prestige Hills, this project is spread across 6.5 acres of land parcel where they are currently launching 2 towers, Tower A and Tower B. So talking about the Tower A, in Tower A you will get 3 BHK configurations like carpet area such as 1020 square feet and 1300 square feet. So carpet area for Tower B 1730 square feet and 2100 square feet on a starting price 2.83 CR plus. Now talking about the central part, this land parcel is spread across 1.5 acres where you will get different amenities, and in the vicinity you also get temple. So now talking about the amenities in this project, you will get tennis court, full-size basketball court, volleyball court, multi-purpose gym, banquet hall with 700 people capacity, jogging track, guest rooms, infinity swimming pool, and many more. And with that, you will get breathtaking views of Yogi Hills, which is linked to a Sanjay Gandhi National Park. And this will be lifetime view for you all because in future there will be no development on this side. So this was the overview of the Forest Hill. So now talking about the connectivity, this project is close to LBS Road, Eastern Express Highway and upcoming metro station. And this project is also close to Goregaon Mulund Link Road and Thane Borivali Tunnel. And also close to all major school, colleges, hospital, retail shop, entertainment hub, restaurants and many more. So this was the project overview of the Prestige Forest Hill. If you like this project and want to know more details about this and also want to get a site visit, just call on this number which is displayed on your screen. And last, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Keystone Real Estate Advisory, for daily and weekly updates on real estate. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.